bonus track for Argentina. I'm going to show you how to make chimichurri, which is an herby, garlicky salsa that Argentinians typically eat on empanadas and steaks. You could also eat it on grilled fish, on bread, grilled vegetables, anything really, it's delicious. Let's get started.
Here's a screenshot of everything you need to make about 1.5 cups. First, cut off the stems from the parsley, roll it up, and give it a rough chop. Put it in a food processor and add about 8 cloves of minced garlic, plus 1 red chili seeded and diced. Give it a quick pulse, but not so much that it makes baby food. Then add a cup of olive oil, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 tablespoon of oregano, and 4 tablespoons of lemon juice. Give it one more quick blitz and you're done.
And that's it. You just dump it out into whatever container you plan to serve it in. Check your seasonings, it might need more salt. Oh, it's so beautiful. It's bright green and fresh. You could also add crushed red pepper flakes instead of fresh pepper if you prefer, or leave the peppers out altogether. You don't refrigerate this because the oil would get really yucky. As long as you keep it in an airtight container, preferably with a screw lid, and when you pour it in, push the parsley down below the level of oil, and then it won't go bad. Let's taste. Herby and bright and absolutely delicious. Enjoy!